Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our online video class. This is 9th standard physics unit 1 measurement lesson. In previous class, already discussed rules and convention for writing SI units and their symbols. There are 10 rules used to writing SI units and their symbols. Today, we are going to learn about the new topic measuring mass. Measuring mass. We commonly use the term weight, which is actually the mass. The many things are measured in terms of mass in commercial world. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. Already we know the SI unit of mass is what? Kilogram. Symbol of kilogram, kg, small kg. In any case, the units are based on the items purchased. For example, we buy gold in gram or kilogram. Gram or milligram. Gram or milligram. We buy gold in gram or milligram. Medicine in buy in milligram. Milligram. Provisions items are in gram or kilogram. Gram or kilogram. We can use the some instrument for measuring the above listed item. Above listed items. Different measuring device have to used for items of smaller and larger masses. Smaller and larger masses. In this section, we will study about some of the instrument used for measuring mass. Measuring mass. Let's see one by one. The first measuring instrument is common balance or beam balance. The beam balance compare this sample mass with the standard reference mass. Standard reference mass. What are the standard reference mass? The standard mass, reference masses are 5 gram, 10 gram, 20 gram, 50 gram and 100 gram, 200 to 200 gram, 500 gram, 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 5 kilogram. This balance can measure mass accurately up to 5 gram. Accurately up to only for 5 gram only. The common balance, otherwise called beam balance. The beam balance compared to sample masses with standard reference mass. Standard reference mass. In this balance can measure the mass accurately up to 5 gram only. 5 gram. Below 5 grams are not measured accurately in this balance. In this balance, what balance? Common balance. Common balance. See this picture. This is common beam balance picture. One side, the two beams are available. One side put the weight and another on one side put the standard reference. Standard reference. What is standard reference? 5 gram to up to 5 kilogram. The another side weighing object. Weighing object. The another one measuring instrument is physical balance. Physical balance. This balance is used in labs and is similar to the beam balance. Similar to the beam balance. But it is a lot more sensitive and can measure the mass of object correct to milligram. Correct to milligram also. But physical balance, the accurate value only for 5 kilogram. 5 gram only. In this physical balance is more sensitive. So, mass of the object correct to milligram also. Milligram also. This balance used for labs. What are the standard reference mass used in this physical balance? The standard reference masses are used in this physical balance are 10 milligram, 20 milligram, 50 milligram, 100 milligram, 200 milligram, 500 milligram, 1 gram to up to 200 gram. 200 gram. These are the standard reference masses. Standard reference masses. So these masses are measured accurately in physical balance. Physical balance. The milligram also measured accurately in this physical balance. In this physical balance, the physical balance are used in which place? Labs. This is picture for physical balance. Physical balance, one side put the weight, another side weighing object. Two balance, one balance at the reference masses, standard reference mass, another on the opposite side put the measuring objects. This is physical balance. Let's see another measuring instrument, that is physical digital balance. Nowadays for accurate measurements, digital balance are used, which measure mass accurately even up to few milligrams. The least value being 100 gram, 100 milligram, 100 milligram. The least value is being 10 milligram, 10 milligram, 10 milligram, 10 milligram. This electrical device easy to handle and commonly used in jewelry shops and labs. So this digital balance are nowadays commonly used. This digital balance measured accurately up to few milligram also. The least milligram measured in digital balance is 10 milligram. This electrical device is easy to handle and commonly used for which places? Jewelry shops and labs. So easy to handle this electrical device. This is picture for digital balance. The next balance is measuring instrument is spring balance. This balance helps to find the weight of an object. It consists of spring fixed at one end and hooks attached to the rod at the another end. It works by Hooke's law. Hooke's law, which stands that addition of weight produces the proportional increase in length of the spring. Addition of weight produce the proportional increase in the length of the spring. The pointer is attached to the rod, which slides over graduate scales of the right. The spring extends according to the weight attached to the hook, and pointer read the weight of the object on the scale. This is picture for spring balance. The one side attached to the one end attached to the spring fixed, another end attached to the hooks, another hooks attached to the rod of the another end. It works by what law? Hooke's law. Hooke's law state that the addition of weight produces proportional increase in the length of the spring. See this pointer. The pointer mentioned the numbers. This number indicates the weight of the object. These are the four different instruments using the measuring mass. What are the four balance? First one, common balance or beam balance. Second one, physical balance. Third one, digital balance. The last one, spring balance. Let's see difference between mass and weight. What is mass? Mass is a quantity of matter contains in a body. What is matter? Matter is nothing but what is mass? Mass is nothing but the quantity of matter contains in a body. It is mass. What is weight? Weight is normal force exact by the surface of body. Weight is normal force. Measured in what unit? Newton. They extracted by this surface of the body to balance against gravitational pull on the object. This is weight. In case of spring scale, the tension in a spring balance the gravitational pull on the object. When man is standing on the surface on the earth or floor, The surface exerts the normal force on the body, which is equal to gravitational force. The gravitational force acting on the object is given by the milligram. The gravitational force acting on the object is given by what? Milligram. Here m is a mass of the object, g is a acceleration due to gravity. M is mass of the object, g for acceleration due to gravity. The gravitational force acting on the object is given by what formula? mg. The pull of gravity on the moon is 1/6 times of weaker than that of the earth. This causes the weight of the object on moon to less than that on the earth by 6 times. The acceleration due to gravity on the moon is values 1.63 meter second minus 2. Important one more question. Acceleration due to gravity on the moon value 1.63 10 to the meters 1.63 meter second minus 2. If the mass of the man is 70 kilogram, then his weight on the earth is 686 Newton, and on the moon is 114 Newton. But his mass is still 70 kilogram on moon. Let's see difference between mass and weight. Mass. It is a fundamental quantities. Already we know mass is a fundamental quantity. Weight is a derived quantity. The second point, mass, it has magnitude alone. So it is scalar quantity. Weight is the weight has magnitude and also direction. So it is called what quantity? Vector quantity. Mass only gives magnitude value, but weight gives magnitude and direction. So it is vector quantity. Mass is a scalar quantity. The third point, mass, it has amount of matter contained in a. What is mass? The amount of matter contained in a body. But what is weight? It is normal force exerted by the surface on object against gravitational pull. Normal force against act in gravitational pull. The fourth point, mass remains is same everywhere. Mass is same remains same in everywhere, but weight varies from place to place. The fifth point of the mass is measured using physical balance. But weight is measured using spring balance. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. The sixth point, the SI unit of mass is kilogram. The weight SI unit is Newton. These are the difference between mass and weight. Mass is a fundamental quantity. Weight is derived quantity. Mass is a scalar quantity, so gives only magnitude value only. But weight give magnitude and also direction. So give magnitude and directions are called what quantity? Vector quantity. Mass SI unit is kilogram, but weight SI unit is Newton. Mass remains the same as all the place, but weight varies from place to place. Dear children, learn this today's topics. Note the assignment question. The first question, differentiate mass and weight. This is the answer for differentiate mass and weight. The 6 points are answer for mass and weight. The second question, write short note on digital balance. Sir, note the assignment question. Learn today's topics. Thank you, students.